So we're live. So after our schedule, we've come live here about 1:30 New York time. We've had, I believe it's NFP today. Market's been a bit of a range. Not particularly great price action on, let's see, ES. You can see the range here on ES. Most of the volumes conducted in this range between 81, essentially 40. Had this move up, go up to reject. Just gonna have a look at NQ. Just wondering if we're gonna have a test into this area here, down to the 40s. NQ, similar stuff really. Similar stuff. Maybe I move down into the 45s probably. Let's see. Actually, I could take a short. Oh, missed it. Short at 500. Let's see. RTY. TY isn't doing anything. YM. YM short at 688. Let's see.
Order submitted.
So gold short at 73.3.
Order submitted.
There is a risk of a bit of a double bottom here. I will take this short on. Let's see. Wonder if any of these trades are going to get filled. Only about 13 points away. Is the market oversold though? We sold off quite a bit already today actually. From the 973s. Oh my word, is this market not going to fill me? So we're looking for a move down to the 404s. Don't know if we're going to get filled, but looking for a target down here. Put a target in. Not sure if I'm going to be filled. Looking for a move down to the 404s. YM. Don't like I'm going to be filled here. $562 is a YM target. Gold. It's Friday. You know what? There may not even be enough momentum on gold. I'm going to cancel the order on gold because it is Friday. It is 1:30. Gold tends to die off really quickly after 2:30 New York time. So I'll just cancel the gold order. I'll just have the YM and the NQ. Have the YM and the NQ. We'll see. Of course, I could be stopped out on both quite easily. Especially with a market. Hold on a second here. What are we doing? Hold on. The market's testing the daily 200 here. Is this right? What are we doing? What are we doing? Yeah, the daily 200 period. Hold on. Yeah, the daily 200 period. Maybe you don't want to be shorting into the daily 200. Maybe not. Yeah, probably don't want to be doing that. Yeah, we're gonna cancel this order. Because I just realized from looking at this daily chart on this daily chart here on NQ that we are into the 200 period, which is this black line. So where would our target be? Our target's down at 404. Let's see how far away that is. It's not really that far away. Seeing as we're down. Decisions. It's a true setup. Fortunately, I don't think the YM's going to come back and get us in. Let's go have a look across. Market going into 200. Are we forcing a trade here? Let's have a look at the daily range. Current daily range 594 points. Had 800 points yesterday. Had a lot of volume. You know what? What would a long trade look like? What would a long trade look like? Yeah, you know, I'm going to cancel this order as well. Maybe both these trades will work and cancelling the orders would be the wrong decision. But I'm going to cancel the order. The market's coming to 200. We've seen quite a lot of volatility. Just going to stay on the sidelines for now. Of course, this market can continue to sell off. All the way down to the 404s. 4NQ. Down to the 562s for YM. But lunchtime, Friday. After we've had all this selling recently down into 200, I'm a bit concerned about a bounce here. Deep pockets value buyers coming in, driving the market higher. So I'm going to stay on the sidelines for now and wait. While I do that, I'll just play some music in the background. So what I'll do is I will put a note out. Just put waiting for a setup. I don't know why I don't like the short. The shorts have been paying me very well this week, but we'll see. Maybe I'm trying to be too smart for my own good. Time will tell. Of course, if the market comes down to 562 here on YM and down to 404 here on NQ, it's going to look like I definitely should have taken those trades, but it's a bit concerned. I just can't get out of my mind this 200 here on the daily chart. I just can't unsee it now. I've noticed it. So I'll stay on the sidelines for now. Gotta move up, reject the view up there, but I'll stay on the sidelines and see what comes of this market. So I'm back, and I think I'm going to call it a day here. So let's just have a look through. Yes, I would have had it set up over here. No point now, but and that would have hit target. It's not a true setup. None of these setups through here are true setups. And it's because of the chop we saw earlier. So this would have been a bit of a subpar setup. So even though it worked out, it's a bit of a subpar setup because I was a bit concerned about this being a low, this being a higher low. And we having the market go up on NQ. We had a target down here at 404. Off a short. Again, see it's going to this consolidation. I use NQ as my main reference. Point. RTY. No setups on RTY. It's too choppy. YM, it looks like the market's going to come down to this 562. Again, it would be, I think this would have been the only true setup actually. Yeah, this would have been a true secondary entry setup. And the target would have been down at the 562s here. So this would have been a true setup, a true re-entry setup. But I placed an order earlier. Order would not have been filled. We've come close, too close to the target here. So I already cancelled the order. So this may have been the only setup that works. And finally, gold. Well, we cancelled the order on gold because we expect volatility to fall off in the next 23 minutes or so, around 2:30 New York. It being a Friday. And what we've seen is some chop. So not going to force a trade here. I'm going to call it a day. It's going to be a no trade day. We'll come back next week. Hopefully we have better market conditions and we can continue to grow our account. I'm hoping to, in the next maybe 2 weeks or so, get the account above 1M. And then from there I can focus on getting the additional $700K needed. So won't be doing a recap today because I haven't taken any trades. So it's just a no trade day. Thanks for watching. Good luck trading and have a great day.